Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jiffy cornbread without eggs and milk. You can easily achieve a delicious, moist cornbread by using simple substitutes. For eggs, a flax egg made from ground flaxseed and water works wonderfully. Alternatively, unsweetened applesauce or mashed banana provides excellent binding and moisture. For milk, plant-based options like almond or soy milk are perfect, or even just plain water. Now let's prepare the batter. First, combine your Jiffy corn muffin mix with your selected egg and milk alternatives in a bowl. For an even more tender and moist result, consider adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients gently until they are just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cornbread. Before pouring, make sure your 8 by 8 inch baking pan is thoroughly greased. For perfect baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is ready, pour your carefully mixed cornbread batter into the greased 8 by 8 inch pan, spreading it evenly. Bake the cornbread for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is a beautiful golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. To enjoy your delicious, egg-free and milk-free cornbread, let it cool in the pan for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and prevents crumbling. Serve it warm with a pat of vegan butter or a drizzle of honey. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days. For a delightful savory kick, try adding about 1/4 cup of chopped jalapenos to the batter before baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.